everyone! Here's to hoping that I'm in focus and also that no one pulls up right next to me and watches me. I mean, it's not the end of the world if they watch me filming in my car, but this just, it's always a little awkward when that happens. Anyways, hello! I'm in my car! I'm doing something a little bit different here and I'm excited to do so. So, I figured I would turn an errand into a challenge. Boom! I know, scary, scary. Well, I am at the Holy Land, aka my local, well, this isn't my local Target, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm at a Target, and I need to get some stuff. Herein lies the challenge, folks. I think everyone knows / everyone has kind of been there in that you go to Target needing two things. You needed toothpaste and toilet paper. You walk out with 2 cartfuls. I technically have never done that, but like, you know, a full cartful for sure. I don't want to do that. That is an absolute super challenge to me. If anything, I always end up walking out with 1 or 2 things that I didn't need, you know, like maybe a candle, maybe some extra hair bands, things I don't need. So I have got my list here. These are the only things that I need to get, plus a couple other things that I forgot to write down. So we're adding these. These are not things that I've decided once we've gotten inside. These are things that I actually do need. I just forgot to write them down. So number 1 is that I need a fake plant. I don't need one, but I want to get a fake plant for my background, for my filming setup. So that is on the list here. And then also one thing that's always on my kind of like constant list is that if they have any Disney Tsum Tsums, the mystery stack packs that I don't have, then I can get those. But I've been looking for months and months and months for what I think it's series 9, and it just like doesn't exist near me. So I doubt that's gonna happen, but if for some crazy miraculous reason that happens, I'm allowed to get them. Okay, so those are my two things. Other than that, I've got my list, which you can also see on the screen here. We're gonna see if I can keep it to just this, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me. So let's go on a little adventure, shall we? This is like the first danger zone. Dollar section cleared. Oh. Look at these little ducks. Oh, those are adorable. Why did I just pull into the picture frames? I don't know. This is dangerous. Dangerous. And like, all of the clocks are really cool though. Do I need a clock? No. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. Oh, fuck. Look at this poof. Oh, I would love this poof. My cats would destroy it. Oh, we've got fake plants. Those are alright. I'm not terribly offended by this one, honestly. Do we like that one? Do we like this one? I think I like this one. Did Target know that I was in the market for fake plants? They're everywhere. By the way, you guys are gonna see 800 horrible angles of me. Enjoy. Like, we've got this beast. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, do I need a jaguar bookend? No. Do I want one? Yeah. I'm so weak for the home goods. Oh god. Okay, we've got some fronds. I don't know, you guys. I like this guy. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm excited. Who'd ever think I'd be so excited over a fake plant? Sure. Oh, their candles are so delicious and they're on sale. Oh, surprise, I'm hungry. I love leftovers. So cute. Pop, hooray. You guys know how I'm weak for a pun. What are these adorable pop sockets though? A cookie, a donut. Oh, look at these little guys. Look at them. Oh, I'm so weak. Put it away. Put it away. All right, super glue time. I personally like the gel kind. I'm actually gonna get a couple. I'm always running out of super glue. I don't know what that says about me, that I break everything. Oh my god. A neck fan though? You guys know how hot I am. It is my dream to one day own one of these fans. The heck? They're not plugged in. I always love to find this Dyson aisle because they usually have these plugged in and then you can use one. And I'm always hot when I'm shopping, so like I could really use a good breeze right now, but apparently Target's not for it today. They're like, you're not buying extra things, you do not get the fan. Sad day, sad day. Oh, cute. Birthday Mickey. The minute one of these goes on sale, I will be purchasing one. I really wish their bralettes fit me. God, they're so pretty. I'm pretty sure they don't make my size. Ooh. Oh my god. And it comes in a double XL. That's me though. These all essentially the same. I never know which one to get. How about Mega Foam? Or do I want citrus? Rain shower's fine. My favorite soap is always on the top shelf. Oh no, they changed it. Oh no. Why did they put rose water in it? I don't want rose. I just want the pomegranate. Just kidding, I smelled it and it smells the same. It's delicious. See, usually that's my predicament though, is that they're all shoved to the back. Oh, I can't reach. Which scrub brush? I like this one too, but it doesn't have the scrubbies on that side. Ooh, but it does have the hard scrapey. Why are these so beautiful? Jewel tones? I'm so weak for pens and stationery. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do I need that though? Okay. This is kind of cruel. We're just gonna hold on to this. For safekeeping. There we go. Ooh, but do I go Up and Up brand? Target brand? The answer is always. Let's go bananas. Squeeze the day. Oh. Make today one in a melon. Oh my god. Oh, I wish I needed another notebook. That's fantastic. I've always liked this one too. A cute notebook. Yes. Peanut butter monsters where it's at though. I don't even know what this is. It's a bunny, I think. God, I want it. Oh, I want him. He's so cute. Got bars and benches and all sorts of things, and I don't think they have a rack, like a dumbbell rack. I'm a failure. I have failed you all. I have failed myself. I have failed my family. I tried so hard, you guys, but that bra though, I couldn't not get it. Oh, so pretty and not that expensive. It was $14.99, and I have a Target Red card, so like 5% off of that. Like, what? Did I get anything else extra? Oh, I got that cat box. I swear to you, I had every intention of putting that back, but then I swear to God, at Target, right when you get to the checkout, all of the checkout lanes, I swear they've got a heater turned on there, because I just start like pouring sweat when I get to this checkout. So it's like, you don't have any time to second guess your purchases. It's just like, I gotta get out of here, you know? So I just bought it. Who knows? Maybe I'm not gonna return it. Anyways, I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. How's that sound? Because this sun, it's real bright and it's hot. Shame, 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 shame. Real quick here, I mean, you guys basically saw what I purchased, but hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna try these scrubbing bubbles. I feel like every time I buy a shower cleaner, which isn't often, you know, this stuff lasts a long time, I always get a different brand, so we'll see how that does. I'm happy to report that this Dawn soap, even though it's got rose water in it this time, and it's a completely different color, very light pink compared to the dark pink it used to be, it still smells fantastic, so yay. I got my plant, my fake plant, making my background look all nice. It just looks so complete with that right there. Like I showed you, I did get this bra. This is where I failed. I mean, it was one of those things where it was the only double XL. They never have double XLs. I had to, right? Like it had to happen, but this will be so cute. Yes. I love the little embroidered fabric. No, that's not embroidered, but whatever that is. I like the texture on there. This will just be real comfy to wear around the house. They had this in a nice purple as well. It's also on the back, which I also would have purchased, but they didn't have my size. Like I said, so rare to find a double XL. Got this stupid kit. Like I didn't need this. I didn't, but it's so cute and I'm really excited to have it. I think I'm gonna put like some stickers and stuff in here. I don't know. I'll figure something out. I will put something in you, box. Darn it. Got my 2 bottles of super glue. I mean, I just use super glue anyways, but I've also got a video that I'm going to need quite a bit of it for, I think, anyways, for over on my Collects channel. Got my scrub brush, or a scrub brush. They haven't had the one, I've got one from KitchenAid that I've had for a really long time now that I love. and they haven't had it for a long time. I had originally gotten it at Target, and then I can't find it. So we'll try out that one. I've also got some shipping tape, which I use all the time here, shipping out packages and goodies to you guys, especially over on my Collects channel. I got the Peanut Butter Monster Trail Mix. Oh, so delicious. I love this for just a snack midday. Just grab a handful, munch it. The little like peanut butter cup things in here are divine. Got peanuts, peanut butter chips, raisins, M&Ms, brand peanut butter chocolate candies, peanut butter pretzel balls, and mini peanut butter cups. Oh yeah, they've got these little balls of peanut butter delight that have a pretzel in them. Oh, my sweet tooth is quaking, but not in comparison to these. Ugh, the chocolate gets me every time! Freaking Target! Why? But like, I mean, it's the holidays, it's Easter, these were on sale. I mean, it's not Easter when I'm filming this, but it's about to be. The Reese's eggs and or like the pumpkins around Halloween time, or the Christmas trees around Christmas time. I suppose I should say pine trees, not Christmas trees, but I can't help it. These are so much better than original Reese's. Not that original Reese's are bad, but like these are everything. So I got the original kind and then the ones with the little Reese's pieces in them. I thought they were going to be too much, but I actually tried one, or I suppose it was for Christmas. My mom had gotten a couple of the pine trees, the Christmas trees that had the little Reese's pieces in them. So I tried them and they were delicious. So I'm excited. These will be my only Easter treats. 12 eggs, such is life. Oh, and then still in my car, I've got the 2 dumbbells that I bought because I had purchased like way back when a couple of dumbbells, one a 20-pound and then one a 15-pound for like mainly working my back, because I just do one at a time, like one arm at a time. But lately I've been like strengthening my lower back so that I can handle doing both at one time, and so I needed to even them out. So I bought one 15-pound dumbbell and one 20-pound dumbbell that are still down in my car, but I couldn't carry those along with this other stuff at the same time. So that is what I got from Target. I failed. I would love to see you guys try this Target challenge and film a vlog or something. Just tell me, you know, on Twitter or wherever, show me on Instagram. I just want to know that I'm not the only one who fails at her own challenges that she makes up and then puts on the internet for everyone to see that she failed. But yeah, I really would. I would love to know if you do this challenge, and or I'm definitely going to tag some specific people down in the description below. But like I said, I want everyone to do this because it is a lot of fun. It's just fun to see what's at Target and also what people buy at Target. Let me know if I did horrendously in the comments down below. Also let me know if you want to see more of these. I can definitely keep trying to challenge myself the next time I need to make a Target run, but I cannot promise success. I couldn't even do it the first time around, but I can definitely try again if you guys want me to. So let me know in a comment or by giving me a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!